Okay, so I've got here a Shopkins Tall Mall. The Shopkins Tall Mall comes with 4 little Shopkins. One comes with the little clock guy. That one and that one. Now this little Shopkins Tall Mall. It's 2-sided, so you can play with it on both sides. It has a little elevator on the side. In the back, it's also meant to be a carrying case. So in the back, it has 2 little latches, and the Tall Mall comes up. And the little windows open. These little windows won't close, so the only way to actually close these windows is to close them all. So as long as it's sticking up, it's going to stay open. And it's got a little handle for carrying around your Shopkins. You could probably hold about 30-40 Shopkins in here if you wanted to store them. It does have the little notches to set the little Shopkins inside. And then it has on top, it's got the little pet shop for the little pets. This little section is the little food court. And then down at the bottom, it's supposed to be the home and garden. The bottom one doesn't have the drop down, it just has the open door. So these are the little doors that open and close. Here on the side is where the elevator is. This door opens, you can put a little Shopkin inside. Goes all the way up to the top, all the way down. So it's actually a pretty cool, if your kid has a lot of Shopkins, this is actually pretty cool for them to put all those Shopkins somewhere, because with all those little things, those Shopkins tend to get lost, thrown under the couch. So this is a good place to keep their little Shopkins at least all in one place, so they're not all over the house. And it's a really fun little Shopkins toy they can play with as well, so it doubles over from storage to something they can play with. And then in the back, so you lock it, so then they can carry it. These little doors will close. Little doors will close. And then they can carry their little Shopkins Tall Mall just like that.